Here is a great tip that you could use to repair a wiring harness. You may notice or get a butt connector in that has wires that are staggered. This staggering of the wires is essential for making sure that the bundle for the wiring harness does not get too big. Because imagine if you had two butt connectors right next to each other and you taped over this or used heat shrink tubing, well, it's going to be rather large and you're going to notice the repair. But if they stagger the two wires, the positive and negative, this way, when you tape it up, it looks relatively nice and you're not going to get all this chafing or possible mechanical damage from these being pulled on. So remember to stagger your splice and make sure when you do get a pigtail connector, if it is staggered, well, it's supposed to be that way. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.